pinag-uusapan ngayon na magtawag si President Marcos ng special session just to get some of the derailed pieces of legislation going sa legislative work. Ano ba yung impact talaga nun? Can you tell us about it?
Well, the power of the president. Okay, I heard you talking right before I came in that
Yeah,
there's an
nagrereklamo si
allegation
Alan
that
Peter
nangingialam ang presidente. Hindi nangingialam ang presidente kasi under the Constitution, the power to call a special session is given to the president.
Yeah.
Okay, as he may deem necessary. In fact, wala nga yung as he may deem necessary sa presidente. If the president can call a special session anytime under Article 6, Section 15, then that's up to him. Now, it's also up to the houses of Congress whether they will heed the call for a special session. But apparently, I heard from you that the House of
They will.
Representatives have already
Yung
said
House,
yes.
They will.
And if the Senate also says yes and they all agree, who are we to now interfere there? Even I don't have a personality to say, hey, you cannot call a special session. Under the Constitution, it's all under the president's call. And then if both houses of Congress agree, then a special session happens.
Sir,
Pero yung message doon, of course, greater recognition by the executive of the new group of Senate leaders, no?
Yes, that's very important. This is politics. This is parliamentary procedure playing out. A change in leadership in any House of Congress is normal. We've seen it several times. Sometimes contentious, sometimes nagiging magulo. This is a blip in constitutional history. Now, what matters is that the executive branch has recognized it, and I believe the House has recognized it. You said that the IBP has recognized it as well.
Yeah.
If that's true, then that means the legal community is parang sa international law yan. Pag merong bagong presidente ng isang bansa tapos nare-recognize na, that has to have weight. You know, there's only one way to undo what happened in June 3. The side of the Cayetano bloc has to go to the plenary and say that, hey, we are the majority and this is our numbers. If they can do that under our democratic system, they're the new majority. And he will be back as Senate President.